job, but you don't know that you're inspiring younger generations, younger employees. And it also can go the other way. You might be doing something that is not that inspiring and not that recommended, and that is what other people are picking up. But generally, as a group, collectively, put all your behaviors together. That is what makes you a company. Look at it as a big picture. You may be just one part of the picture, but that picture will not be complete without you. So you matter. Now, my question is, what or how are you influencing other people with your behavior? What kind of impact do you make on them? And when they hear your name, how do they feel? Are they excited to work with you? Do they enjoy working with you? Do they find you easy to get along with?